Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy red wine sangria. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one standard 750 milliliter bottle of your favorite dry red wine, perhaps a Merlot or a Tempranillo. Next, select a variety of fresh fruits like oranges, lemons, and apples to infuse vibrant flavors. Don't forget a sweetener, such as 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a splash of a complementary spirit, like 1/2 cup of brandy, to elevate your drink. Now, let's prepare our fresh fruit to maximize its flavor. Begin by thoroughly washing and then thinly slicing 1 whole orange, 1 lemon, and 1 apple. Place all of these beautifully cut fruits into a large pitcher or punch bowl. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar directly over the fruit. Then, gently muddle the mixture for about 30 seconds to release those wonderful natural juices and begin the flavor infusion process. With your fruit and sugar ready, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the entire 750 milliliter bottle of your chosen dry red wine into the pitcher. Next, add about 1/2 cup of your preferred spirit, whether it's brandy for warmth or an orange liqueur for a citrusy kick. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then, refrigerate your sangria for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade sangria. Give the chilled sangria a gentle stir to redistribute the fruit and flavors. Just before serving, add about 1 cup of sparkling water or club soda to give it a refreshing fizz. Pour the sangria over ice into individual glasses, ensuring each serving gets some of that wonderful fruit. Garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice, like an orange wheel, for a perfect presentation. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.